some new critters are moving in and looking to make a splash. Take a listen. We're almost there. We've reached Frontierland Station, everyone, so for any new buckaroos. Watch your step now.
Splash Mountain is covered.
Station.
That's the first lift hill of Splash Mountain, and it is drained. They've already prepared for demolition. They got a bunch of lumber over there and cinder blocks lining the walls. As of the recording of this, it is Tuesday, and Splash Mountain closed on Sunday, so it's only been 2 days. They even themed the construction walls to the Southern Dome Salt Company. Splash is all drained.
So we were at Magic Kingdom, and now we're gonna head into Pirates.
Ahoy.
I am no chicken. I will not talk. Now, you sturdy scoundrels, do I hear 10? A hen for a 10.
Never lay eyes on it, nor this here key neither. It touches the cars, and its many shine new.
So just got done with Pirates of the Caribbean, and now I got some pastrami egg rolls because they ran out of cheeseburger. Big sad, big sad. But
Alex and I are getting corn dog nuggies.
I'm gonna eat his fries because he doesn't want any fries. They're preparing the order. We are eternally grateful.
I had to like sit this at the counter so fast. It was literally filled to the top.
Really? So over at Casey's, where we just heard the piano player play We Don't Talk About Bruno, which was amazing. Becky and Alex got some corn dog nuggets and fries to go with my pastrami egg roll, spring roll. I can? But you don't like sharing food.
I don't, but I'll do it for you.
She says, remember this, because this will not happen very often. And it got dark really quick. All aboard.
So just 2 nights after Splash Mountain has officially closed, this is what it looks like drained out.
Look, take off your hood, show some respect.
No water running down.
Amen.
A moment of silence. So I think we're gonna go do Big Thunder.
Yeah, it's only a 35-minute wait. Seems like everybody's kind of leaving this side of the park and going exploring. And in here,
well, we're getting closer to fireworks time, so I think people are starting to stake out fireworks spots.
Good call. And in this, I do have the Haunted Mansion Mickey Funko Pop that went on the Haunted Mansion ride.
There you go.
That authenticity.
And add some inherent value. I will say, in addition to that, we have the Splash Mountain ride Pop Funko, and I got that back in 2018, and as soon as I got that Funko, that did go on the ride, so I wonder if that adds any value to it or not.
Cause this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness!
I'm gonna do that the whole ride.
Because you told me to! Now there's like no one in line.
There's like literally no one in line now because the fireworks are going.
Alright, so it is just about time for fireworks. We're gonna go try to hop on Seven Dwarfs Mine Train.
Because the wait is only 40 minutes according to the app. And there's like barely any line for Big Thunder. Like, we waited a good 40 minutes for it, and now it's probably a 10-minute wait.
Yeah, kind of a bummer, but...
Well, I mean, everyone's going to the fireworks, so we waited there, so we'll go to Seven Dwarfs and hopefully only wait 20 minutes to get on. And maybe ride during the fireworks.
Alright, so it says the standby is 45 minutes. Let's see about that.
So I don't know if you can see it well on camera, but we're in line for Seven Dwarfs and they actually have water spraying on top of the buildings so that the fireworks don't catch the buildings on fire. This is the first time I've actually seen the water being sprayed on top of the buildings. Oh, that's awesome. We get stopped with this view. Finale. Oh, there she is. Hello there, Snow White. So So we just got off a mine train and we timed it perfectly, and we saw the finale of the fireworks literally at the end of Mine Train.
Yeah.
So that was really cool. Good suggestion by Alex to get into the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train line when we did. And it wasn't a 40-minute wait.
No.
It was probably
close to 30?
Probably like 25, 30 minutes. But we timed it literally perfect. I think we were like the best car, best
maybe
train
one
that
train
we could
back,
have.
because we would have like stopped right at the end when the finale was going on, but like facing it. We missed it just a hair. We were turned to turn into like the
cottage,
the loading station.
Yeah.
While it was happening, so it was kind of a funky angle, but yeah.
But overall that was awesome. So now we are going to probably head off to do a couple of rides in Fantasyland here. Probably Winnie the Pooh and Ariel, and then head off into Tomorrowland to probably finish off the night.
And speaking of pounds, Ariel traded hers in for a pair of, what do you call those human thingies that make you not a fish?
You want PeopleMover? I got plenty. I want more. I wanna see him dancing.
The fruit is the Duke of Soul. Every day you can play the leaves on the street and drop walking out the black field.
Nothing's working.
Out in the sun, let's lay under the sea.
She's supposed to be moving. Papa's an emaciated shrimp. Wow, Becky, that was like the worst ride through we've ever had on Ariel.
In the grotto scene, it looked like her upper teeth were falling out. Her lips and her face were not moving out.
Did you see how black like her hair was? Like they must have had like a grease leak on her or something.
Hair was dirty and like her skin was pulling in weird places, and she wasn't dancing in Under the Sea feet.
The Sebastian wasn't moving. Most of the other fish weren't moving either.
And then Ursula was fine. But then in the Kiss the Girl scene, her hair was so frizzy. Like it looks like it's been a while since her hair's been done. And then the little heart thing didn't happen when they kissed, in the scene where
they kissed in the door.
Ursula gets impaled, yeah. And in the end, at the wedding part, she was like looking up at the ceiling. It's like her neck was broken.
And that was Alex's first time on it. Now he's never going to ride it again. Oh, I can't wait for this to open. Couple more months. Couple more months. Becky, are we gonna have...
But
Becky, are we gonna come down for annual pass holder previews for Tron? Please, 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 please. Look at it, it's beautiful. Please, 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 please.
it's everything I wanted Hagrid's to be.
What do you mean?
Go straight.
Oh, no backwards parts.
Backwards. Not that I don't mind sitting next to someone, but I think you get more of that feeling of flying.
You do sit next to someone.
I thought it was the same.
It's 2 by 2.
I love
That's not
and these are two of the best
accurate
tracks in
movie.
the comic.
So we actually did get Joffrey's coffees from right there, and you cannot bring them on the PeopleMover. We had to finish it on a bench before we got on.
Your guide aboard this highway.
Gonna get the view of the castle. View of the castle.
By two of my favorite spots. And a lot of the visionary ideas throughout Walt Disney World. Look, there's even a tiny PeopleMover. I wonder if that means there's a tiny boat rack.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy M31. Please keep forward-facing tentacles clear.
But they got the wait time sign up too. People literally Honestly, how cool is Tron at night with those lights? I can't wait. I really can't. Can you wait for Tron, Alex? You know what I can't wait for? Golf. All the lights went on. Oh, the guardrails are going down. Oh, but our scores may reset, right? Oh no, 0! I never knew that Buzz was right behind here.
Concentrate your firepower on third secret weapons.
I think Buzz just didn't want to pay us for being galactic heroes.
That's gonna wrap up another wonderful day in the Magic Kingdom, riding some classic attractions and eating some delicious snacks. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.